Hey guys, and welcome to your video over the seasons. Okay, it's titled Why Do We Have Seasons? Okay, well first off, let's talk about the Earth's rotation. The Earth rotates on its axis, which is an imaginary vertical line around which the Earth spins every 23 hours and 56 minutes. One day on Earth is one rotation of the Earth. So a day on Earth is when our side of the Earth faces the sun, and night on Earth is when our side of the Earth faces away from the sun. The Earth's revolution. It takes the Earth 365 days or rotations to travel or revolve around the sun once. Okay, this is called a year. So why do we have seasons? The Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle. It is an ellipse, so it's shaped like this one. Seasons are not caused by how close the Earth is to the sun. In fact, the Earth is closest to the sun around January 3rd and farthest away from the sun around July 4th. Seasons are a result of the tilt of the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is tilted 23.5 degrees. This tilting is why we have seasons like fall, winter, spring, and summer. The number of daylight hours is greater for the hemisphere or half of the Earth that is tilted towards the sun. Okay, so here in the northern hemisphere, you can see that the Earth is tilted away from the sun, so it's colder. Here is spring because we're getting even sun energy. Here in the northern hemisphere, the Earth is tilted towards the sun, so it's getting more of the sun's energy. And here is fall, again with the even distribution of energy. Summer is warmer than winter in each hemisphere because the sun's rays hit the Earth more direct angle during the summer than during the winter. Okay, so here again we have the hot summer, okay, because it's covering more of the top hemisphere. And here it's colder because we are getting longer rays. Also, the days are much longer than the nights during the summer. During the winter, the sun's rays hit the Earth at an extreme angle and the days are very short. These effects are due to the tilt of the Earth's axis. So, seasons in a nutshell: the summer, more sunlight on the northern hemisphere; winter, more sunlight on the southern hemisphere. Okay, we also have what are called solstices. Solstices occur twice a year when the tilt of the Earth's axis is oriented directly towards or away from the sun, causing the sun to appear to reach its northernmost or southernmost extremes. The winter solstice is the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. It occurs on December 21st and it marks the beginning of winter. The summer solstice is the longest day of the year. It occurs on July 21st and marks the beginning of summer. During the winter, the northern hemisphere day has fewer than 12 hours and the southern hemisphere day has more than 12 hours. During the winter solstice, the North Pole has 24 hours of night and the South Pole has 24 hours a day. The sunlight strikes the Earth most directly at the Tropic of Capricorn. So here's a demonstration of the summer solstice. Okay, the sun is going to give most of its energy up here on your top line. And on the winter solstice, it's going to be down here on the bottom line. This is the Tropic of Capricorn. Your top line is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so you can see where the sun's rays directly hit. So the solid blue line is the equator. This is the Tropic of Cancer. It is the top line for the summer solstice, and the Tropic of Capricorn is the bottom line for the winter solstice. Equinoxes is a day that lasts 12 hours and a night that lasts 12 hours at all latitudes. Equinox literally means equal night. The sunlight strikes the Earth most directly at the equator, and this happens twice a year. The vernal or spring equinox occurs on March 21st, and the autumnal or fall equinox occurs on September 21st. The Earth's seasons are not caused by differences in distance from the sun throughout the year. The seasons are the result of the tilt of the Earth's axis. I know this is a repeat, but it's important that you understand this. Many Americans, including Harvard graduates, do not know what causes the seasons. So let's review. Look closely at where the sun is hitting the Earth during each season. Okay. At the autumnal equinox, the sun is hitting the equator. Equinox, equator. At the summer solstice, it is hitting the Tropic of Cancer. In the vernal equinox, or the spring equinox, it is hitting the equator. The winter solstice, it is hitting the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, here's another picture. Okay, so the autumnal equinox, it's hitting the equator. This is the winter solstice, so it's hitting the Tropic of Capricorn. The spring equinox, equator. Summer solstice, the Tropic of Cancer. So this is the end of our video. If you have any questions, we'll talk about them in class, and I'll see you guys later.